dueling for it there, and up ahead to Ryan Johnson, hopped on him. And Colorado holds it in, maintains pressure. There's a shot, Soleil. That ricocheted in on Luongo. And finally, Canucks clear. Mitchell on the near side takes the shot. Jones got a piece of that. And it bounces out to Stastny. Bieksa falls. It's a 3-on-1. Across it goes. Shot. Luongo stops David Jones. Now back into the corner. And Bieksa picks up the defensive duties with Ryan Kesler also involved. Centering it. Another huge stop by Luongo at the 11-minute mark. Up to Kyle Wellwood. Wellwood trying to sift it through. Great pass. Taylor Pyatt. And in his pocket, picked in the last second. And had the stick knocked out of his hand. And the penalty upcoming.
Who knocked the stick out of Pyatt's hand.
Here we go. Taylor Pyatt trying to bump a slump. And he scores! Penalty shot goal. And the Canucks strike first.
Nice puck movement again by the Canucks, and they go back across the seam.
Now a chance, Wellwood in, and a big stop there by Budaj. And he'll cover up as Kyle Wellwood comes close. Bieksa plays it in wide of the net. And now fed back to Bieksa to reload, shot loose in front, and Budaj down. And he have it, or does Brent Clark have it underneath him? It's Peter Budaj with the save.
Well, they do not have a big gunner from the point, in particular without Joe Sakic in the lineup.
Less than a half minute to go. Puck comes out in front. It's loose. Blue paint. They score. Finally, chip pass. Go. And the shutout streak is over. A minute 28 into this third period. Vancouver will try to regain the lead as Henrik Sedin leads the rush. Into the zone. Good pass. Daniel. Budaj to save. The rebound knocked wide. Mason Raymond and Kesler exchange passes. Up top it goes. Edler into the slot. Oh, Budaj across. And a big stop there by Peter Budaj, and Mason Raymond wonders how that didn't go in. Edler again. Return to sender from Bieksa. Now Wellwood holds. Neat back pass shot. Oh, did you see that? Budaj robbing Henrik Sedin.
Ian LaPerriere skates right back to congratulate Budaj on the save. But there's about 3 elements of hockey here that are absolutely beautiful. This is fantastic puck movement. Wellwood spin to Daniels. Perfect pass to Henrik. And all he can do is shake his head in disbelief on a fabulous save by Peter Budaj. 3 players couldn't have done it any better.
Chips it deep, and Spatos gives chase. Along the boards, Henzik got it loose. Spatos for the corner, Volsky, robbed by Luongo, as Wojtek Volsky was left loose in front of the net. Wellwood deep in his own zone, sidestep to hit from Volsky. Puck comes out in front, and Luongo there to make another stop. This one off Tyler Arneson. Now Jones trying to get it out, and does. And Henzik with one last dash, 5 seconds left. In regulation time, Volsky, and a huge stop by Luongo with 0.7 seconds on the clock to preserve at least a point and frustrate Volsky even more. And it got by Willie Mitchell out of the reach of Ryan Smith, and Luongo out to get it. Smith's got it, Luongo retreating, centering it, and a shot fluttered wide off the stick of Brent Clark. Here's Clark again. Time running out. Clark, and the horn sounds.
And he has a tremendous reach. He can pull the puck side to side, makes it difficult on the goaltender.
He is slick. Let's see how he does against Roberto Luongo. And that is as nice as it gets. From the Mike Ribeiro, Peter Forsberg, UC Jokinen book. 5 for 18 in his career. We went through 65 minutes, tied through 3 shooters apiece, tied. Spatos unties it.
Well, you can't make a better shot than that.